go nuts. This is my second time filming this intro and like my fourth time trying to film a video this week. Anyways, let me set you guys down. I dropped this camera again today. I'm surprised this thing isn't broken already. This is my Canon G7X and I just don't know how it's not broken yet. Well, if you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Anna and I post new videos every single week about home, fashion, and lifestyle content. I just wanted to address, not that it's been a while since I last uploaded a video, but it has been a hot minute. I usually like to upload at least twice a week, and if you guys are familiar with writer's block, I kind of had that this week with creating content for you guys. I just have picked up my camera about 4 or 5 different times, started filming, and then halfway through realized I wasn't happy with the content I was producing, or I just felt like I didn't have any direction. Insert footage here of all my different intros this week. Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Hello, my friends. So I decided instead of filming like a formal sit-down video, I would just do a vlog for this weekend and just really dedicate to filming. Oh, I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't know what this will be titled, but I definitely am going to take you guys with me this weekend. I have a lot on the list. I know today I am working, but I plan on like cleaning my studio. One of my best girlfriends is coming over this weekend and we're going to go surfing, which is exciting. And then I plan on seeing my mom tomorrow. I don't know what we're going to do, but yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and just vlog. Okay, also my FabFitFun box, I'm subscribed to FabFitFun, so I get to do my customization, so I thought it would be fun to do my customization box with you guys here on the vlog. Customize, right? Let's do this. Welcome to your spring box. Okay, let's see. You choose, pick what products you want in your box before customization closes. I thought this was the blush. If it's not the blush, I don't want it. Okay. This is cool, but no. I think I really want the packing cubes. Okay, I'm gonna do the packing cubes. Customization number 2. Ooh, I've been wanting slippers though. Oh man, those look like that TikTok mom who makes lunches for her kids, but I know I'm not going to use this. I just know I'm not. I would for sure use the slippers or the makeup brushes. Let me look at these slippers. I'll for sure use these. I've been dying to buy house slippers, so I'll do that. Customization number 3. Ooh, these are so cute. I think I'm gonna go with the coasters because I also have been needing coasters and these are precious. They're woven. Oh my goodness. Easy pick. I didn't even have to think twice about this. I'm not like a FabFitFun partner or ambassador or anything. I just genuinely love their subscriptions. I think it's such a good deal. It's $40 something a month, and they send you a box of full-size items. So the 3 items that I picked are just the items that I've picked. It's going to come with additional full-size items, but those are the 3 kind of like little choices or surveys that you get to pick, and you can do like different upgrades and add on. But yeah, I like FabFitFun. I think it's a really cool deal. And I need to put you guys on this drink. I usually get my 3 shots of espresso, but with vanilla. This time I decided to do 4 pumps of white mocha with cinnamon powder, and I promise you guys it's so good. Also, this is my first time, oh, let me turn this up, putting jeans on for the day. So I'm just wearing jeans, this gray sweater I wear literally all the time, and my white Supergas that are pretty dirty, but whatever. I'm just really craving Jack in the Box. I don't know what it is. I haven't had fast food in a long time, and I need to have something really good. It's Friday, why not? Music, playlists. Why am I listening to Go Girl on here? Such a good song. Ooh, let's roll the window down. It's not a day with me in the car if the windows aren't down. But I do my best to hide it, and I pray that it is lost for so long, but you shame on me, but I love Jack in the Box. I haven't had this in forever. I don't know what I want. Could I please get your medium curly fries?
Medium curly fries?
Yeah.
Okay, anything green or anything else for your order?
Could I also get just like a cheeseburger plain, just the meat, cheese, and bun? I did it! I'm bad, but I got the goods. I got my lunch, my unhealthy lunch. So I think I'm going to try and clean my apartment. Look at little Sophie. I've been attempting to clean my apartment for the last few days. She's so cute, and it's been unsuccessful. I have this basket of laundry, my bed's not made, and my couch cushion is in the laundry room still, and I don't know, I just have so much that needs to be cleaned. Okay, so I am happy to confirm that with the exception of the bed, everything is cleaned. I cleaned the table. Let me put this candle back over here. The blanket is in the washer for the couch. I do need to give this little one a bath really bad, so I'm gonna bathe her. And then I need to go to Target and buy some organizational stuff for all my anime swimwear packaging. And then all the dishes are done, so yeah. Everything is looking clean, floor's done. Also, look how beautiful these flowers are. I just think they're so pretty. Should we get you a treat for having bath time? Yeah, you want a treat for bath time? Okay, we can give you one because you were good. Okay, so I just did my nails. I did my feet and my hands. Focus. So yeah, super simple. These will probably last for 2 days before they start to chip. Oh, hello. It's me being inconsistent. Today is Saturday and I'm all dressed up. I just got ready, like the full thing, showered, blow dried my hair, curled it, did my makeup, got dressed, and I'm getting ready to go down to Temecula to go see my mom for the day. And I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm bringing Sophie, so we'll probably do something outdoors, maybe walk around somewhere, have some lunch. I don't know, but it's a little cloudy outside, so I don't know. This is what I'm wearing. I totally forgot I had this top, and it's a little risque because, you know, I'm not wearing a bra. Like, triple tight it in the middle so that way it's a little more secured. But yeah, I'm wearing pink socks right now, but I'll probably just wear like white tennis shoes. I don't know. I also don't feel like bringing like one of my nicer bags, so I'm just gonna bring my Coach little bag right here, and these lip glosses need to be thrown out. Here's a little what's in my bag. Okay, we're gonna put in my wallet, my Chanel red lipstick, my Bare Minerals pink lipstick, some hand sanitizer. Throw this away. Okay, so I actually switched my jeans to my Madewell skinny jeans. And I'm actually very conflicted. Do I wear my white Vans or these black com boots? I truly don't know. I hate myself because I really wanted to like not wear these heels because I wear them everywhere all the time. But I think it's a sign I just need to get a new pair of heels just to be a little different. But this is what I feel most comfortable in. It's most me. I don't know. I just like it best. Okay, I don't know what it is, but lately she's been super duper shaky in the car. I don't know why. She used to not care. Gotta order my Starbucks. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed because I forgot my battery for this camera, my other one, and this one's like halfway done, which won't last very long. But I brought my Canon EOS M50, so if this one dies, I can always whip out the other one. It's just that the Canon G7X is a lot easier to vlog and carry around with. So an hour later and I am here in Temecula and I'm meeting my mom at Starbucks. I have no clue what we're going to be doing. What kind of cake did you get?
What, basin? Wait, hello. Oh my goodness, all this. I get a velvet. Wait.
Are you ready for your dinner? Okay, so you better sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Stay.
Wait.
Okay, go ahead. I got the goat cheese and I don't know what this is. It's supposed to be spicy and sweet, and then my mom got a steak. Hey, I absolutely love these for like water glasses. Okay, so I just got home from a long day driving. As you can see by the footage, we just kind of walked around. I took some Instagram pictures. We went to World Market and Nordstrom Rack, and we went to Lazy Dog, and Sophie got some food, but I wanted to share with you guys what I got from World Market because it's some stuff that I've been wanting to order online, but I never did, so I was there. I was like, might as well get it. Okay, so I got some sponges. There's nothing interesting about this. Just needed some new sponges. So I've been wanting to get some glass straws for my coffee because, as you know, Starbucks doesn't really give out straws unless you ask, and these are more eco-friendly, and I have to have a straw with my coffee. I really want to do a refrigerator and pantry organization, and I really have been wanting like berry bowls, but I feel like the regular berry bowls are really like boring. So I thought it would be so nice to put these in the refrigerator and like cut up my strawberries and blueberries and put these in the refrigerator. But this one, which is kind of like this polka dot one, which actually matches my not mason jar, just like a regular jar that I have that I also got from World Market. Okay, so today is Sunday and I'm with one of my best friends, Sarah, and it's super beautiful outside. We're going to go surfing, but first we are going to grab some coffee and breakfast, take some cute pictures, so I'll take you guys along with me today. Okay, so I need to strap my surfboard to the top of my car. Because my car doesn't have roof racks, I just use these Block Surf soft top strap-ons. Strapped up. Okay, we're at Zebra House Coffee and we're gonna get some breakfast. A vanilla latte. Sarah, what did you get?
I got a matcha oat milk latte.
Yummy. And I got their power bowl and that looks so amazing. I'm so excited to try it. Right here, we're gonna eat our food real quick before we go out on the water, but beautiful view. We're at the surf shop to get Sarah a surfboard, and then I'm going to go to the convenience store next door to get some snacks and water. It's such a pretty day outside. The sun is shining, not a cloud in the sky. It's a little windy, but it's supposed to be really nice today. Surfboards attached, and it's time to go to Doheny. You want to say hi? Hi! Alright, we're headed to the beach. Sarah's done. We got our wetsuits off. Got our boards cleaned, and we are exhausted. It's just time to go get food. We were out on the water for I think 3 hours. Just got back from surfing a little bit ago, and we were out in the water for 3 hours. We had so much fun, and we're really rallying right now because we're so tired, and we're going to go get some food, some dinner. And I'm taking a vitamin C because my immune system just needs it. Sarah's in her cute dress featuring Sarah in the background. I was gonna wear a dress too, but I'm a little chilly, so I'm wearing jeans and this blouse from Free People. And yeah, we're probably going to go to a wine bar.